Hello and welcome to CincinnatiTrees.com, your home for professional and affordable tree removal and stump grinding in the tri-state area. In this quick video, I'm just going to go over the services that we offer and how to get a hold of us and get a bid for your tree job. What is CincinnatiTrees.com? Basically, we're a collaboration of 3 local tree service providers. We put this site together to kind of share in some of the marketing costs and help us balance our workload so that the customers get the best experience. Each one of our providers has quality references, extensive experience in full liability insurance. As a homeowner, you will receive prompt and professional service with a price you can afford. So how do you get a bid from CincinnatiTrees.com? Process is pretty simple. You can submit your information right here on the website simply by clicking on the Request Quote link, or you can call us at 513-549-0406. We will contact you within 24 hours of your submission. That is even on the weekends. So some of you homeowners who have struggled to receive calls back from companies, you'll be happy to know that we are quick to get in touch with you. After discussing your job over the phone, we'll send out a service provider on site to give you an accurate quote. So why should you choose CincinnatiTrees.com for your tree job? Well, as a small network of independent tree companies, our prices are typically 30 to 50% less than others in the tri-state area. So you really are looking at a significant savings by working with a smaller company. Your business means everything to us. You will work directly with a small business owner who not only understands your needs but respects your property as well. And because we have a network of 3 companies, it means we can service your job faster. We all work together to make sure that the homeowner gets the service that they need. So if you want to request a fast service, we can do that. That's not always the cheapest service depending on, what crews are available. But if speed is a priority, then we can help you with that. In short, CincinnatiTrees.com keeps your yard safe and beautiful. We offer free quotes and consultations, affordable prices, quality work, and a 24-hour response time. We look forward to serving your tree needs and hope you share our name with your neighbors. Please call us at 513-549-0406. Thank you very much.